Good morning, children. Today we are going to learn a bisection of angles. Bisection means you have to divide an angle into two parts. Now, see, draw the angle and bisect it. Angle ABC equal to as 70 degree. Now, as you have drawn other angles in the same manner, draw this angle. Take the protractor. Draw angle of 70 degree. Look here, this is 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. 70 degree. Now, this is 70 degree angle. Now to bisect the angle, take the compass, keep the pencil, take the compass, take any measure, keep the pointer, this is called as the pointer, on point B. Then taking any measure, now cut the arcs on the arm of AB. This AB and here BC. Now you have got 2 points here and here. Do not shake this. Keep on this one point. Cut the arc. Keep on this point, cut the arc, then keep on this point and cut the previous arc. Now you can see that there is intersection of the arcs. This is the point of intersection of the arc. This point, at this point keep your pencil, then adjust the scale, and then on the point B adjust the scale. Both the points you adjust with the scale and the pencil, then join it to, passing through this intersection of the arc, join it to vertex B. This arm is the bisector of angle ABC. In this manner, the one more angle I will draw. Second angle PQR is equal to as 90 degree. Now, for this, draw the base. Take the protractor, keep on this point, adjust with the pencil line, and from this arrow mark 0, this is 90 degree here. Draw the angle. This is angle PQR. Then take the compass, keep it on the pointer, cut the arc. Now same measure you can take, or you can take from this distance to this distance more than half in this manner. more than half, cut the arc. Now don't move it, and then keep on this point and cut the arc. You get the intersection of the arcs. Keep the pencil point on this, adjust the scale, again pencil point on point Q, adjust the scale, and then join the points. So this is the bisector of angle PQR. Another angle, third angle, angle XYZ equal to suppose 140 degree. Now take the scale, draw the base arm, take the protector, keep on this point, adjust the protector with the pencil line at this mark 0, then from arrow side take 0, 10, 20, this is here, come to here 90, 100, 110, 120, 130, 140 is here. This is an obtuse angle. Adjust the scale and the pencil with the points here marked. Draw the angle. Now take the scale, take the compass, keep the pointer on this point, Y. Now taking any measure, draw the arc. You can draw it in this way also. Now from this distance to this distance take more than half, and draw the arc. Now don't move this compass, keep on this other point and draw the arc, cut the arc. So you get the intersection. See that your pencil is sharp and your arcs must be neat and tidy. Adjust the scale with this point and your pencil point. This is bisection of angle, an obtuse angle. So you have learnt bisection of acute angle, right angle and obtuse angle. Now you are going to learn how to construct angle without using a protector. So angles, that is with the help of the compass. So draw angles, using compass. That is first one, angle ABC equal to 60 degree. Now without the help of the protector, we will draw an angle of 60 degree. How? Take the scale, draw the base angle, base of the angle. Now make this point take the compass, keep on this point and take any measure. You can take any measure. Cut a big arc in this way. Now don't shake the compass. Keep on this arm, this point of arc and the arm. Then again cut this previous arc, big arc what you have drawn. So you get an intersection of the arc. Now this point and this pencil point here, join it. You will get an angle of 60 degree. This is 60 degree angle. Angle A, B, C. Now, for verification, you can use the protractor and measure it. For that, this point of the protractor you should keep on the vertex point B. Then adjust this line of black line, straight line of the protractor with the pencil line. Now see, your angle is here. See this arrow mark, it is at 60 degree. So in this way we can draw few angles like 60 degree, 120 degree, 30 degree. Now this same we can draw it as 30 degree. Now here second one, angle PQR equal to 30 degree angle we will draw. For that same angle we have to draw first. Take the compass, draw the big arc, then keep on this point, cut the arc, adjust the scale, this is 60 degree. Now do the bisection of this angle as you have already learnt. Now already there is a big arc, so you can take from a distance from this point more than half you can take. Cut the arc, again keep on this point, cut the previous arc. Now you got the bisection point here. Now this point, from this point to this point you join it. Now this is angle of 30 degree, either this or this you can take. So we had to draw angle PQR equal to 30 degree. So I will name this as PQR. This is equal to 30 degree.